Good morning. How can I help you today?
Good morning, doctor. I've been feeling unwell recently.
How long have you been feeling this way?
It started about there 3 days ago, mostly in the afternoon.
Okay. Do you feel the symptom at specific time or throughout the day?
I often feel tired and sometimes I get dizzy.
Okay. Have you experienced other symptoms like fever, nausea, or headache?
No, I haven't had fever or nausea, just occasional head dizzy.
Okay. Are you currently taking any medication or supplements?
I'm not taking any medication and only vitamin occasionally.
Hmm. How is your sleep pattern? Are you getting enough rest?
My sleep has been irregular lately due to work stress.
Hmm. Okay. Have you been eating properly or do you often skip meals?
Sometimes I skip breakfast because I'm in a rush.
Okay. Do you usually eat home cooked meals or more fast food?
I usually eat fast food because it is convenient after works.
All right then, let's check your blood pressure. Please sit for a moment.
Okay, doctor. Is there anything to worry about?
Okay, your blood pressure is slightly high. Are you aware of any family history or hypertension?
No, I wasn't aware. Is high blood pressure something I should be concerned about?
High blood pressure can often be managed with lifestyle changes.
I didn't know I had high blood pressure. I will try to manage it better.
Okay, I recommend reducing your salt intake and staying hydrated.
Cutting down on salty food seems hard, but I will give it a try.
All right, and try to incorporate at least 30 minutes of exercise into your daily routine.
Walking sound manageable is 30 minutes enough to make a difference.
Let's monitor your symptoms for the next 2 weeks and results if needed.
Do I need to take any medication now? Or shall I wait?
Please don't hesitate to reach out if your symptoms worsen before then.
Thank you for the advice, doctor. I will come back for follow-up.
You're welcome.
See you.
See you.